Here's how to play. Start with 2 teams on either side and line up your 6 sticks between the players, plus 1 power stick.
This stick will determine who the winner is.
Each player can lay out their sets of bones. Darylina has the rock bones and I have the pine cone bones.
Now it's time to blast those tunes!
Player 1 starts with the bones in their hands. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Whoever doesn't have the bones in their hands will be guessing which hand contains the striped bone.
I have the bones here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide them behind me. You can hide them in various ways, have fun with it, and dance to the beat of the music.
Meanwhile, the player without the bones will be watching the player with the bones very carefully so that we can guess which hand has the striped bone.
You can see I'm really grooving here to the beat of the drum.
Then I indicate with the swoop of my hand that I'll be guessing. There are more hand signals, but for now we'll just do right and left, and that indicates which hand to open up. Boop, open that hand. Yay, I picked the striped bone. So now Darylina forfeits their bones, I grab my bones, and Darylina is the one who has to guess.
Kelsey is playfully hiding the bones as I'm trying to distract her and trying to guess which is the striped bone.
If you're hiding the bones and you're ready for the other player to guess, puff out your chest and show them that you're ready. There, when they've got the bones, you might notice little movements, so you can try to trick them out.
Ooh, am I gonna go this way or am I gonna go that way? Which way am I gonna go? Nope, yeah!
If the guesser chooses the plain bone, then the hider gets to bring the stick over to their side. Keep in mind that there are only 2 piles of sticks at any given time.
If the guesser chooses the striped bone, they win the bones back, and then they have the opportunity to get another stick.
So it really can go back and forth like this for a long time. Sometimes hand games actually go all night long.
All night long, all weekend long.
But when you finally get to the final stick, the final power stick, if you guess it right, that is how you win. And there are different rules for these stick games, hand games, bone games, everywhere you go. So if you know a different set of rules, use those. Why not? Happy National Indigenous Peoples Day!